This section explains the Asynchronous Advantage Actor-Critic A3C model and code implementation. Let's first look at the A3C model overview. Asynchronous Advantage Actor-Critic is a reinforcement learning algorithm that allows multiple workers, agents, to explore the environment in parallel, each updating a shared global model asynchronously. The model is built using the actor-critic architecture, where the actor is responsible for selecting actions based on the policy. The critic evaluates the actions taken by estimating the value function, the expected return for a given state. This parallelism significantly speeds up training, as multiple agents explore different parts of the state space and asynchronously update a shared global model, reducing correlation between updates and increasing sample efficiency. Key components of A3C: multiple workers. Each worker interacts with the environment, collects experiences, and computes updates to the model. Global model. A single model shared across workers, which is updated asynchronously by each worker. Local model. Each worker has a local copy of the global model that it uses to make decisions and compute updates before syncing back to the global model. The main goal is to improve the stability and efficiency of training by leveraging multiple parallel workers, avoiding issues like stale gradients, and speeding up the training process. Formula derivations. The main idea behind A3C is to update the global model using both the policy gradient, actor, and value function, critic, through the concept of advantages. Policy gradient update, actor. The policy in A3C is modeled by the actor, which outputs the probability distribution over actions given a state. The policy gradient theorem provides the foundation for updating the actor. The formula is as follows, where theta represents the parameters of the policy. Alpha is the learning rate, j theta is the objective function. The policy gradient itself is computed as follows. At is the advantage function, which indicates how much better or worse an action is compared to the baseline. Pi theta is the policy, probability distribution, output by the actor given the state and action. The advantage function is defined as the difference between the return and the value estimate. This measure of advantage helps reduce variance in the gradient estimates and speeds up learning. Value function update. Critic. The critic estimates the value function which approximates the expected future reward from state. The value function loss is the difference between the predicted value and the true return. The formula is as follows. The return RT is the discounted sum of future rewards from time step t as follows. Where RT is the reward at time step t, gamma is the discount factor, which determines how much future rewards are weighted compared to immediate rewards. Total loss function, actor plus critic. The total loss is a combination of the policy loss, value loss, and entropy loss. The entropy loss is included to encourage exploration by penalizing overly deterministic policies. The total loss function is as follows, where L policy is the policy loss, based on the policy gradient. L value is the value loss, based on the temporal difference error. HPI is the entropy of the policy, which encourages exploration. The entropy term is computed as follows. Gradient clipping. A key challenge in deep reinforcement learning is dealing with large gradients. Gradient clipping is often used to limit the gradients during backpropagation to a certain threshold to prevent excessively large updates. This is implemented as follows. This ensures that the gradient updates do not cause instability during training. A3C algorithm. 1. Initialize the global model. The global model is initialized with random weights and is shared among all workers. 2. Initialize the optimizer. Use an optimizer, typically Atom, to update the model parameters. 3. Parallel workers. Start multiple workers, each of which interacts with a copy of the environment. Each worker maintains its local model copy of the global model and follows the actor-critic paradigm to collect experiences. 4th, experience collection. Workers collect trajectories by interacting with the environment. For each time step, T, a worker samples an action based on the policy observes the reward, and next state stores the state, action, reward, and value estimate. 5. Return and advantage calculation. After the trajectory is collected, the worker computes the returns and advantages for each state action pair in the trajectory. 6. Model update. Workers asynchronously update the global model by computing the total loss and performing backpropagation. 7. Repeat. The process is repeated for multiple episodes, each time collecting new experiences and updating the global model. One of the key features of A3C is that updates to the global model are done asynchronously. While one worker updates the global model, other workers can continue interacting with the environment and collecting experiences, ensuring that training remains efficient and that each worker explores different aspects of the environment. Now we implement the A3C code. Actor-Critic class. Worker class. Training function. Test the trained agent.